Welcome to La Corte, a property listed for $7,500,000 located in Miami Beach with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. This property counts with over 4,100 square feet of interior space, more than 2,000 square feet of outdoor space, and it seamlessly blends mindful design, sustainability, and elegance. By the way, I am Stefania Mogollon, your Miami and South Florida real estate agent. And if you're interested in this incredible house or interested in buying any other property here in Miami Beach, selling or investing, do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be down in the description box. Send me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move. And without further ado, let's come into La Corte. As soon as you step in, you can see this magnificent design and ambience that this property has. The thought about this property is so delicate that they also have a platinum LED certification that enhances the sustainability of this home. Here, you can see that all the finishes are inspired by the beautiful beaches of Miami Beach, and one of the key components is these incredible travertino floors sourced from Italy. The first thing you're gonna encounter when you walk in is 1 bedroom, but also half bath that I wanna show you because it has this incredible marble stone that sets the tone for an incredible design. What I also love is that they use different shapes resembling nature. So that's why the shape of this mirror and also the lighting behind it makes the space look very harmonious and cohesive and very welcoming. Here is the first bedroom, and is the only bedroom that's on the main level. You are going to see so many closet space everywhere. All of this wall has built-in closets, so space is definitely not an issue in this house. Let's come and let's see the bedroom first, and I'm going to show you the bathroom after. Look all the lighting that this bedroom has. Imagine waking up every morning to this beautiful space that has lime wash walls with non-toxic paint, by the way, and facing the incredible courtyard. This bedroom also has its own full bath with stand-up shower, also with materials very much like the One Hotel style. I love the tiles and the mix of materials, the glass doors, the fixtures, even the doors. Look at these doors that are so modern and cohesive with the style of the property. Also, in most of the places in this property, they're using natural oak wood. So you're gonna see that all throughout. Stone sink, love it. Very welcoming and calming atmosphere. And you can see, pay attention to how the light comes in from very different angles all throughout the house. This property has an incredible contemporary and Mediterranean design. But I want to talk to you a little bit more about the thought behind the design and architectural structure of this property. It's called La Corte, which stands for courtyard. So this property was designed all around the courtyard, meaning that all the rooms connect in one way or another to the common area, La Corte. All throughout the house, you're going to start to see these pockets of space that has nature and lighting. And honestly, I just love this space. Not only it's bright, cohesive, harmonious, but it has design like no other in a house like this in Miami Beach. I just love to sit here and look at this incredible courtyard. Moving along to the family room, they actually created these movable panels that separate the living room from the family room, and you have 2 options: either let the light in or close it for more privacy. This is an all open space that combines the family room, the dining room, and the kitchen, and they thought about so many details that even this is not a piece of art. This is actually a TV, but you can set it up with your favorite digital painting to have a more harmonious family room. You have this space, you can watch TV, watch your favorite sport, have some people here eating. You'll be drinking or cooking right there in the kitchen. It's all in one space, but they created a design where actually, even though it's in the same space, it is well separated and divided. Now, going to the kitchen, one of my favorite spaces of this house, because I love how not only they mix all the textures between wood, travertino, natural stone, but also the island surrounds the entire kitchen. So it's a wraparound kitchen that I love. So you can entertain, have fun, cook, like I said, watch TV and eat and have the best time in this property. Now, you're going to see here, it has top of the line appliances, and these also helps with the LED certification for sustainability because it takes less energy than other appliances. And here we have an induction countertop from Monogram. So you have top of the line appliances and at the same time being sustainable. All throughout the cabinets and even the hidden fridge work with just a push. So you have a very cohesive cabinetry all around and you don't really know where is where, which is kind of cool. You have here the fridge, the freezer, plenty of space. And for the wine lovers, you also have a wine cooler, a wine fridge, and a mini fridge for your favorite drinks. One of mine being Cervera. I love this water. So it's very, very convenient to have these spaces here. Now, I'm going to show you later, but right here is a staircase. But they were very smart to create incredible storage space all throughout. Look at how much space you have in every single corner of this house. Now let's step into the beauty of this property, which is outdoor areas. Now we're seeing here the start of the courtyard space. This is the barbecue area where you can have an outdoor dining, cook your favorite food, steaks, and everything over there. Its own sink. Let me actually show you because I love the outdoor space, especially this time of the year. If you're watching this video right now, it's April, so the weather is perfect. If you're gonna do barbecue in August and June, you better bet you have good beers for the heat. You have the barbecue area here. You have a stove over here to cook anything on the side. Now, the backyard, which is the center of the house. If you notice, the architecture of the house is made in a U shape. So all the rooms, as I said, are facing the courtyard. Here, you're gonna see one of the two pools that this house has. You see this, but this can be either hot for a jacuzzi or cold for your cold plunge if you are one of those people that love that. I can do, but only for like 2 minutes. Some people stay there for 15 minutes. So you have the option right here. Walking into the courtyard, or better known as La CORTE. Here, I have to be careful with my heels because it's a little bit challenging, but I just want to show you the incredible space and all the nature with the palm trees, the grass, the different shapes of rocks for table or sitting area. Honestly, the vibe and the ambience of this house, it's so incredible and peaceful. And sometimes we don't question ourselves how your environment and the place that you are and do your favorite activities has an impact in your mood. So that was the main key point that the architect and designer had when putting this property together. Now, I want to show you the second pool, which is a lap pool, and it's almost as long as the width of the house. Look how long this pool is. It has some steps over here so you can come, take a little dip, and also keep in mind, because of how this house is built and all the landscaping, you also have a lot of privacy, which sometimes is hard in neighborhoods like this in Miami, where you have neighbors everywhere. But there is a lot of privacy in this house. Now, the biggest piece of the house, one of the biggest pieces of the house, the master bedroom. It's an extra large master bedroom that not only also has view to the courtyard downstairs, to the pool, to the hot tub or cold plunge, but also if we shift this way, we can see that it has two entrances, one on that side of the bed and one here. And this is a closet behind the bed that has a connected entrance through the back. We're gonna see that in a second, but let's please appreciate this panel of windows and receive all the sunlight and energy that this house has. Honestly, I love the calmness and the energy that this space has. Here we can also notice how they did this touch of design with the mid-wall and panel wood. I love this. Now let's go to the double entrance closet. Come over here and take a look at all the closet space that this property has. All of these are different custom-made cabinets, drawers, hanging space, and even a window. Up there, we can see a window, so the lighting can come in, the natural lighting can come in. So much space. And Paul, who is my cameraman, was asking if I was able perhaps to fill in this closet. And I have no doubt that I can. That's a special talent of mine, shopping. So this house has all the necessary space for shoes, jackets, winter outfits, ski gear, anything that you want to put here. Stepping into the en-suite bathroom, let's take a look and appreciate this blend and cohesive flow between the two showers, the bathtub, the two vanity sinks, a balcony. There's so much space, and I love all the textures, the finishes, the lighting. It's incredible. And this is definitely not the typical and regular bathtub. So not only it's transparent, but it's also green. So it gives like a pop of color to the entire environment. Double vanity sink with stone sink, cabinetry, drawers, space for towels, the mirrors. I love the shape of this mirror. I know I said it already, but I absolutely love it. Here you have the toilet space, and also sometimes rare to see bidet. Nowadays it's not as common, but you have it here as well. I am in love, and you have double exposure from that side to this side. Take a shower and feel like in your at-home spa. Now, right here by the dining and kitchen area, it's a separate stairs that leads you to one of the upstairs bedrooms. Now, this bedroom is separated from the rest, either for guests, for office, or honestly, if you just want your alone time, I will totally get this bedroom. Now, let's step into this bedroom, which it's a very large size. It has a king size bed, plenty of space, more finishes, resembling the nature and Miami beaches. So I love all the mix of textures, shapes, materials. And here we have closets. So we have built-in closets. Please let me know how much for this house with everything, the furniture, the decoration, and everything else, because the staging team did a great job. Another thing that I love about this bedroom is that, again, it has a mini balcony here. It's not too deep, but it's great if you want to have a cup of coffee in the morning and you don't really want to be downstairs. You have the space here, the view, the nature, the trees, the calming sounds of nature. I absolutely love it. Now let's step into the bathroom, which is as spacious as the bedroom. And you have this incredible walk-in shower, stone sinks, wood cabinets, and it has more storage space here for your linen closet, for your toiletries, and anything else you may need. There is so much space here. Come, look at this. Look at this. And this has been all for today's tour. I hope you really like it and enjoy it. I'm personally in love with this property. So if you are interested in this house or interested to buy, sell, or invest in Miami Beach or any other neighborhood in Miami, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Send me a text, give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move.